The Dreaming World, A Place Between Movements. Part 2, The Delay. She did not move immediately. The instinct was still there, the quiet pull toward action, the expectation that something should follow. But she didn't let it. She remained in the space just before movement. At first, nothing changed. The same dim light, the same shifting edges, the same uncertain distance. Then something deepened. Not outward, not in the world. In the moment itself, it stretched. Not longer in time, but wider, as if the space before action had dimensions she had never noticed before. Her hand hovered again, not suspended this time, held. Not by force, but by attention. She wasn't waiting for the movement to happen. She was staying where it hadn't happened yet. And the longer she remained there, the clearer it became. The moment before movement was not empty. It was full, not with objects, not with form, with potential. Every direction existed there, every action, every version of what could follow. Not imagined, present. She felt it not as choice, but as pressure, a quiet density just beneath the surface of action. She shifted her awareness slightly, not moving her body, just altering the intention behind it. And something answered. Not in the space around her, but in the way the next movement formed. A step began. Then split. Not physically, not visibly, but in possibility. She felt two versions of it, one continuing forward, one turning away. Neither had happened. Both were there, held inside the same uncompleted moment. She stilled again, and the split remained. Not collapsing, not resolving. Waiting, she understood something then, deeper than before. Movement did not just create reality. It selected it. The step she took was not the only step that existed. It was the only one that completed. Her breathing shifted again, subtly, in rhythm with something she was beginning to recognize. Not time, but decision. But not decision as she had known it before. Not thought, not choice, not preference. Something quieter. Something that happened before she could name it. She leaned into it. Not physically. She let her awareness settle, just slightly deeper into the moment before action. And for a brief, fragile second, everything became visible. Not clearly, not fully, but enough. Threads. Not lines, but possibilities, extending outward from the point of where she stood. Each one complete, each one real. None of them chosen. Then she moved, and they vanished. Not disappearing, but collapsing into one. The world formed again. Stable, continuous, familiar. But now, she could feel what had been lost in the forming. Not something taken away, but something left behind. She stood still once more. And this time, she didn't rush to understand it. She stayed in the delay, long enough to realize the moment before movement was not just where action began. It was where everything existed before it became one thing. She inhaled and held it just slightly longer than before, not forcing it, not controlling it, just allowing the delay to remain open. And the space responded again, not by changing, but by revealing a little more than it had before. She exhaled slowly, and when she finally moved, she knew not what would happen, but what movement truly was. Not just continuation, not just progression. It was selection.